everyone, I'm Dr. Desiree with OC Back Doctors, and look at this rain. Where are my patients? It seems everybody in Southern California, once there's a little bit of rain, everybody hides. So what I'm going to do, just because of the weather, if you like this post on Instagram and Facebook, when you come in for your treatment, I'm going to give you a little surprise. And I know you're out there. You've got aches and pains and you need our care. Also remember, this Saturday, 8:30 a.m., we're going to be on the Wellness Show. Dr. Desiree and Renee will be interviewing the great superstar, NBA Tracy Murray. So tune in, 101.5 FM, this Saturday at 8:30 a.m. Stay dry.